I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day card. All you need for that is some card, some foil, kitchen foil, something to colour with, and some glue, and maybe some scissors as well. Always be careful with scissors. This is what we're going to make. Here we are, little card, bit of foil on there. Okay, ready? Let's get making. First thing you do, you've got a piece of card. I had an A4 piece of card there, and I've just cut that in half. Right, like that. And then fold that over and you can make two cards. Take a piece of foil, just ordinary kitchen foil, about that size, the shiny side there. And then I'm just going to fold it over just to make it a bit thicker. So get rid of those sort of sharp edges. Just aiming to make a nice heart shape. So you make a little mark there, and then the same on that side, and then one in the middle. Basically we're just trying to fold that there and there just to make a little heart shape. So if you fold that over to the centre and then do the same on the other side. Where's that mark then? There we go. So you're kind of making a little triangle shape like that. And then get a pair of scissors. Be careful with scissors, and I'm just going to make a tiny cut in the centre of the heart. Just, you kind of rip it there, just a little cut like that. And then what that's going to do is going to give us the shape of the heart. So you just fold it a bit like that. There we are. And you can always bend it over a little bit, and then see it's a bit pointed at the top bit there. So we're just going to round that down just to make a nice shape. There we go. Get rid of any sharp edges. So parents, if you're watching this, you could actually pre-make the hearts for the kids so that they're all ready to draw on if they don't want to do this little part of the making. Just round that off there. So you've got a nice heart shape. I'm just going to put a little piece of paper. I'm just going to put a piece of paper on there so that I can draw on it on the top. And then basically you can use any kind of felt tip. I've got one here that I've done already. You can see I've just drawn a little heart in the middle. But you can actually draw on foil, and I never realised that before. So I'm just going to draw a heart shape in the middle. There we are. And follow. You can see I'm just following the shape of the heart. Like that. And let's follow the shape around the outside there. Okay, so we've done that. I'm just going to do some little dots. There we are. Make a little decorative pattern. You see I've drawn a line on the inside there, but I'm going to draw a line on the outside of the heart there. And then the best thing to do once you've done that, once you've done your little design, is just let it dry for a bit. We'll put that to one side. So that just needs to dry off, because it'll be a little bit, it doesn't soak into the foil, so just give it a few moments just to dry before you stick it on your card. So I'm going to put that one to one side, and let's work on this one because that's been drying a bit. And then I'll put that over there to one side. And basically you just get some glue and turn that over. Put lots of glue on there. And you can see where that's lifted up, just pop some underneath as well so that the whole thing sticks down. Hooray! good at this, aren't I? And you could put a little bit of blob in the middle as well. Okay. That's nicely done. So I've stuck that down. There we go. So once you've stuck your card down, you could add a little bit of extra design. See, look, I've just drawn an extra heart around the side and a line there. But you don't have to, but I think I quite like it with a little bit of extra. So I'm just going to draw all the way around the card there. You know, this could be just like I said, could be just like a little thank you card. Inside, do this. Love from. Who's it from? There you have it. Well, look at that. It's cute. Who wouldn't want to get that? Once you've made a card, like I said, if you wanted to, see, I've just kept this one. So this one you can see. I've just turned that into like a decoration. So this could be, you could just stick your gold foil card, put it onto a piece of paper on the back there, and then you could write a little message on the back. And it could just be for a present, we could hang it on a tree, it could be anything like that. So they look really good. Or a pair of earrings. So that's another idea for your foil heart. Hope you have fun. Happy Valentine's!